A man without belief is a ship without a sail. He floats, drifts, and crashes, pulled by the current of others' opinions, never sailing toward anything of his own. But belief is the fire in your chest. It is the unseen force that keeps you moving when your legs tremble and the world mocks your efforts. You cannot touch it, but you can feel it like the warmth of the sun through armor. Without belief, you are already defeated, because belief is the beginning of becoming. Now let us speak of 4 unshakable reasons why belief is not optional. It is essential. 1. Belief gives you a reason to rise every morning. Without belief, mornings feel like punishment. The alarm rings, but there is no purpose behind it. You don't rise. You escape sleep like a coward fleeing the battlefield. But when you believe in something, a goal, a future self, a vision, your eyes open with fire. It's like planting a tree in your mind. Every morning, you water it with effort. You don't ask if it grew today. You know it will. Just like a man training in solitude, he doesn't need applause. He believes in the day it will all pay off. Without belief, you wait for motivation. With belief, you move without needing it. 2. Belief makes pain meaningful. Every man suffers, every man bleeds, but the man who believes in his purpose, in his vision, in the life he's building, his pain becomes sacred. Like the scars on a warrior's hands, each one tells a story. When you don't believe, pain feels like a curse, like a punishment. But when belief burns in your chest, pain becomes a price you are willing to pay. Imagine climbing a mountain barefoot. If you didn't believe the view at the top was worth it, you'd turn back at the first drop of blood. But if you believe, you climb, bleeding, crying, but still climbing. 3. Belief turns loneliness into power. A man who walks the path of greatness often walks alone, but it is not the loneliness of the abandoned. It is the loneliness of the lion, of the eagle. He walks alone not because he is unworthy, but because his path is too steep for the average. Belief tells him, you are not alone, you are simply ahead. And so his solitude becomes silence, and in that silence, he hears his own voice. He forges himself, like iron in the fire, without distraction. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. 4. Belief is the shield against doubt. The world will try to break you. They will laugh at your vision. They will call you delusional, arrogant, even insane. And if you do not believe in what you're doing, you'll believe them. You will shrink to fit into their small lives. But belief is a shield. It's the reason you hold your ground when the arrows of doubt fly. It's the silent voice that says, let them mock, I will outlast them all. Think of a stone temple standing in the storm. Belief is the foundation, buried deep, unseen, but unmovable. When you build your life on belief, storms may come, but they will never break you. You need belief not as decoration, but as fuel, as armor, as direction. You need it because this world is designed to test you, bend you, and make you doubt everything you are building. But the man who believes, deeply, unshakably, becomes unstoppable. Not because he never falls, but because every fall is just a step in the direction of his vision. So believe, not because it's easy, but because belief is what separates those who dream from those who build. And remember, no one can give you belief. It must be born in silence, grown in solitude, and proven in the fire.